Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, kind of got some kind of night market here with a lot of food courts, late night food court stuff, which is great actually. Yeah, Chongqing, there's a lot of eating outside, which is great. Fresh fruit, very neighborhoodish feel everywhere. Okay. We're probably going to conclude it pretty soon for the city, but looks like we got like a little bit of a got some food. Pretty cool. I didn't expect to see this either. It's kind of walking around and I think there's like different food things there. Yeah, kind of walking uphill a little bit, and yeah, this city just has so much surprises to it. It operates, it is a huge city and it operates like one. You know, there's 24, it's like 11:30 at night and it's Thursday, and I feel like I could be in any big city with all the amenities that it has. I guess I didn't expect that. I thought since I didn't really hear about it, I assumed that there wasn't much tourism and it was just like I don't know, something different. But it's actually, there's a lot of activity. It's amazing. And I'm just gonna keep walking all the way up this hill. Just see what we see. Yeah, lots of places to eat food, and I don't know if they're just gonna get started or if it's closing down. But by the large amount of people, it feels like it's just maybe I don't know. Well, this one is closing down. This first one I actually saw that's actually closing down. The rest look like they're open for business. I don't know. But it's gonna get a little bit darker, so I'll turn off the camera. And if I don't turn it back, it means that yeah, maybe we're gonna walk down up this one, I guess. I thought I was done. Thought I'd seen the bulk of it, but I guess not. Oh, it's gonna get dark, so might just turn back around. Okay, if I see some more stuff, well, that building looks really cool, especially in daytime. If I see more stuff, I'll turn it back on. If not, then that'll conclude the Chongqing, this really cool city, my first day here.